Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Python loops and statements. Loops, statements. Okay, go to here and see one example. While loop. Okay, there is use while, so we say while loop. While in Urdu mean jabke. Okay, jabke. Okay, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, and while I from 1, I is equal to 1. First keyword is I say 1, and from while jabke you can lie from 6 and 1. आपने 6 से 1 तक प्रिंट करवाना है, प्रिंट I और I is equal to 1. Okay, now they can print from 1 to 6, and n minus n is 6, so n minus 1, 1 to 5 they can print. Okay, so this is while loop. You can edit it value I is equal to, for example, 16, uh, and print as I to 100, and while I is equal to, print I is equal to 1. Okay, they can print from 16 to 100. Now this is a break statement. Actually, break statement, what is break statement? If price reach to example 70, I need only values up to 70. Okay, so they can break at the 70. So print I if I is equal to 3. Okay, here we use print I, here we paste, and if I is equal to 3, we can change it to 70. Break. Now they can print from 16 to 70 only. Okay, you can see. And what is next? Continue statement. If I is equal to 70, continue. I is equal to 3. Okay, we can copy it and check what are the continue statement. Okay, then I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, in continue they can remove what I. If I is equal to 3, continue, they can remove 3. Okay, if I is equal to, I can put I is equal to 4. They can remove that specific keywords and something output from that. So in continue they actually going to remove. Okay, I will take a screenshot. Sorry, shift, wait, and I can use screenshot for that. So continue statement, what is doing continue statement is actually removing that I value, where we put I value and they remove that value from that's output. Okay, okay, I will actually now one time and save this. Okay, okay, next, else. If and else, we know I is equal to while I is equal to print I else if they cannot find answer in that, so they can use I is equal to 1, while I 6 they can print from here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then print I, they can print 5, 4, 1 to 5. Okay, else print I is no longer less than 6. Okay, they can print 1 to 5, but actually they can print else, they can print both, but actually in real programming they can we at one time we need only one. Okay, so else if we take input I is equal to input, input और यहाँ पे enter the value, enter the value. Okay, enter the value. Okay, then enter the value. So if I put 7 here, they can only give me what is say line 3 and error in line 3. Why I less than 6 ही रहना चाहिए. I put 5, enter, they can break it. So this actually running but not working. Okay, So in next video we discuss about test these with example. Okay. So in next video we discuss more about that. Okay. So here is continuous stepping input into user value while I is equal to 6 print I is less than 5 print I is equal to 1. Okay, we create two value here. You can say same throw in module 6 में is I is equal to, so it can I can put equal to is I is equal to 6 print I, so I put 6. Okay, I is no longer available. Okay, you can see this value is only printed. I can okay, I print 5. I can print 5 where but they do. Okay, 5 we can enter. I is less than 6. I is no longer less than 6. Okay, so next we discuss about more things.